Alright, so in this box here, I was sent 6 wallets from a company called Correa Creative. And much like my Speak Easy Leather unboxing video, when I took a look inside of this box, I knew I just had to show you guys first, make an unboxing video for these wallets just because of how beautiful they were. Because of course, if I just unwrapped these and started carrying them for review purposes, you guys would never see how beautiful these really are. So let's check it out. So I don't know much about this company, Correa Creative, and hopefully I'm saying your name right. Sorry if I'm not. But the owner got a hold of me and they like the channel so much, they wanted me to check out some of his wallets that he makes. So naturally, after I took a look at his website, I agreed, and I'm pretty glad I did once I peeked in this box. So I'm gonna give you guys a nice look at what I saw when I opened the box here, and boom, check this out. I've honestly never seen packaging like this for a wallet. I'm just gonna grab this random one right here. Look at this. So it's wrapped in a brown paper, but it's wax sealed and stamped with their logo. And attached to the paper is a bronze colored ball chain with a leather tag that's the color of the wallet that I requested. And this is absolutely incredible. I mean, he did that with every single one of the wallets that are in this box. And then we have some of this shredded material down here. It just looks awesome. So Frank over there at Correa Creative, I really dig your packaging, enough so where I wanted to do an unboxing video just to show how much love and care you actually put into your packaging for your wallets. And I haven't opened any of these yet, so I have no idea the quality of your wallets yet. We're gonna save that for the upcoming review, but I'm gonna take each one of these out of the packaging just to give you guys a nice preview of what's to come. And of course, I'm not going to be familiar with any of the wallets, so I'm just going to use his website over here to identify what we pull out of these bags so we can properly let you guys know what they are. And look at this. Wow, this is sealed up really nice. And you see what I'm talking about. I'm going to completely destroy this while I open it. And if I would have done that when I received these, you guys would never be able to see this packaging here. So here is the first wallet, and looking at the website, I believe this is the minimal slim card sleeve model number 1. And this card right here, pretty thick cardstock. It says Leather Products Correa Creative, and then it has their website and a bunch of socials right here. So go check these guys out. All right, the second wallet we have right here is this guy right here. This is the minimal tulip wallet, and the colors here are cognac and almo. So this is really, really nice. All right, let's put this off to the side. Man, I feel like it's Christmas Day here, opening these packages up and receiving some awesome wallets. So what is this guy right here? Check it out. This is I believe this is the slim card holder right here. And I'm not going to mention all the colors here that are on each one of these wallets. I just so happened to mention the one on the tulip wallet here because it was right in front of me. I'll save that for the review of these wallets. All right, next, let's break this bad boy open. And all right, very, very cool. So by the looks of it, this one is the minimal card sleeve model number 2. So let's check this out. Wow, this is actually really, really nice work here. So I'm actually looking forward to carrying these and actually giving you guys a proper review on these wallets here. Now let's open up this one right here. This looks like a bifold. So this bifold, I believe, is the micro bifold minimal wallet model number 2. So I think this last one should be the micro bifold minimal wallet model 1. And yeah, that's what this one is right here. So these wallets are very, very surprising to me. I've never heard of this company. They kind of came out of nowhere for me. Like I said, he just showed up in my emails asking me to review some of his wallets, and so far, I'm really, really impressed here. You can see they have that same logo right here as he does on the little wax stamp right there. And then of course on each of the colored tags, leather tags that he puts on the outside of the packaging. Very, very cool. So that's about as far as I'm gonna go with this unboxing video. I'll give you guys a smell test though and see if it passes the smell test, and oh yeah, yes it does. So that's a good sign right there. So I'll put these out and you guys let me know what you guys think of this initial unboxing and first impressions are of these Correa Creative wallets right here. And do me a favor, if you guys are into this company here, like I said, go check out their socials right here, and I'll have all this information in my description box below. So far, Frank from Correa Creative, I'm really impressed with your stuff, and I'll carry these for about a week or two, and I'll probably do each of the models together, such as the micro bifold minimal wallet 1 and 2, which are these two. I'll probably do these two together and then the other two pairings together, which I forgot which two they are. Once I familiarize myself with them, I'll know everything. I'll know the ins and outs of all of the wallets and all of the features and the colors and everything, and I'll have all the information for you later on. But that's basically it for this video, so thanks for watching.